Tired of your schedule feeling like a chaotic battlefield? Let's transform the chaos into a zen-like oasis of productivity by mastering Notion Calendar in just under 90 seconds. First things first, if you haven't already, download and install Notion Calendar from Notion's website. It's available for both Mac and Windows, and connect it to your Google or Outlook calendar. Once installed, you'll see the option to connect your existing calendars, making all your events visible in one place. This is where the magic begins. Now, let's explore the interface Notion Calendar offers. Daily, weekly, and monthly views use the keyboard shortcuts D, W, and N to quickly switch between them. Rescheduling is a breeze. Simply drag and drop events to their new time slots. You can also click on an event to edit its details, like title, location, and attendees. The real power comes from connecting Notion Calendar to your Notion databases. Click on Link Notion Database within an event to link the event to relevant projects, tasks, or meeting notes. This keeps everything organized and accessible. Now, inside your database, you'll see a new property linking directly to your calendar events. No more searching through different apps. Everything is connected. Want to easily schedule meetings? Use the scheduling feature. You can select available time slots and send a link to attendees, letting them choose a time that works best for them directly within Notion Calendar. Become a Notion Calendar power user by exploring all the keyboard shortcuts. For example, create a new event by pressing C. With its seamless integration and intuitive design, Notion Calendar is your key to unlocking unparalleled scheduling, organization, and productivity. Now go forth and conquer your schedule. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below sharing your favorite Notion Calendar tips.